Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that actually stop driver loading. Verify the game files with your launcher so corrupted files are repaired, and make sure you run the game as administrator to allow driver access. Once done, update your GPU drivers to the latest WHQL release. Newer drivers often fix loader issues. Also disable overlays and background recorders, because they inject DLLs and can block the driver initialization. This prevents conflicts before you move to deeper fixes. You now perform the complex middle work. Boot safe mode and use the to remove old GPU drivers completely, because remnants often break the driver loader. After reboot, install the latest official driver and verify the installer log for errors. Make sure DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables are current, and apply Windows updates so system libraries match the game's expectations. Finally, set compatibility flags, Windows 10 mode, and disable full-screen optimizations, because they change how the OS handles. You finish by reinstalling the game to ensure no installation corruption remains, and consider moving it to another drive if permissions or file system errors persist. Collect the game crash log and GPU driver logs so you can confirm the exact failure point. These logs guide whether to roll back drivers or test with a different driver branch. If the problem persists after all practical fixes, use System, restore, or create a fresh Windows user profile. This often clears hidden configuration issues that block driver loading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.